Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bug Identifier AI Insect ID app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bug Identifier AI Insect ID is an AI-powered identification app designed to help users instantly identify insects, bugs, spiders, and other small creatures using just a photo. It uses machine learning models trained on thousands of species to provide quick, accurate identification results. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is used by nature lovers, students, gardeners, hikers, and anyone curious about the insects around them. The app's main feature is its image recognition scanner. You simply take or upload a picture, and the AI analyzes it to provide the species name, key details, behavior, habitat, and whether the insect is harmful or harmless. It also includes a history section, learning resources, and sometimes region-based identification support. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast scanning, high identification accuracy for common species, and simple interface. It's especially helpful for people trying to identify pests, understand local biodiversity, or learn more about insects they encounter in daily life. The educational descriptions are a plus for students and hobbyists. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version is very limited, and full access, including unlimited scans and detailed species info, requires a subscription. Accuracy may decrease with blurry images, rare species, or insects not commonly found in the training dataset. In addition, results rely on good lighting and clear photos, which may not always be easy to capture. In summary, the Bug Identifier AI Insect ID app may be worth using if you want fast, AI-based insect identification, educational insights, and a convenient tool for learning about bugs around you. However, if you're not comfortable paying for premium scans or need expert-verified results for scientific use, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.